Think you know credit scores? Prove you're a financial genius. What is a perfect FICO score? What is the lowest FICO score? Is 720 a good credit score? Which score is considered very poor? What range is a fair score? What score range is considered excellent? Is 650 a bad credit score? What score guarantees loan approval? Does a 600 score need work? What is a good Vantage score? Which score gets the best rates? Is 500 a bad credit score? What FICO score is considered good? Does zero debt mean perfect credit? What score qualifies as subprime? Which is an exceptional FICO score? Is 690 a good credit score? What is the average US score? Can you buy a house with 500? What score range is near prime? Is a 740 FICO score good? Which score indicates high default risk? What score is needed for FHA? Is 850 a common credit score? What score is considered very good? Does 620 mean bad credit? Which score gets rejected most often? Is 780 an excellent credit score? What is a poor Vantage score range? Can a 640 score get approved? What score is the prime tier? Is 590 considered a bad score? What score is needed to rent? Does a 700 score need improvement? What is a deep subprime score? Is 820 an exceptional credit score? Which score range is most common? Can you get loans with 550? What score means low default risk? Is 660 a fair credit score?